And that reminds me, Mamperi.
Mame Mao Akwaba and Faumbra Ghana Sem TV GH so what friend me Adwa searching. Na ebusia for answer nano. Se owo abrochri anase owo Ghana ha. Na oye program bi ete say engagement, wedding anase funeral. Na ope obia obeba betwa video no ede ama anase oba betwa pictures na metre quality videos anase quality pictures and for any engine e wo baby say cam hacks number no e na eda screen ne so no na djuma ho etwa yi papa Ghana ha baby a wo bia o frɛ na obeba abetwa wo program no e de ama anase empo wo amano ne e na wo hwɛ e na wo beye program e na wo atoto ania uhu obia obetwa wo program no e de ama wa contact number na eda screen ne so no obetwa wadwuma no yopo e de ama che say quality videos na quality pictures party and for any enchim e wo baby anase empo ope bibi te say camera light anase drone e de etwa programmer eno so o contact na obeba ababeya ma ebusuafo ora Bismarck Brown a journalist na odni juma e wo Happy FM e na o kire say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Ebabeye president no ojina simpie so e ka se free education no de obebo ho ban pa me kire emofra no mo free SHS no obebo ho ban na emofra no akọ school ni pepepe to say the NPP4 ebe started and empo ka so the private schools no ebi ebe ka ho na Bismarck Brown BB journalist bi a ono no metimi hu say ebi a o support NDC amayoku no sometimes ne kasa but ono no or the bema left right center and fan no say we NPP no NDC president or bema or say private teachers no say papa o de omo abeka ho na enso no wan fa omo ameka ho pa kenye omo say omo friends scam ba scam better aduane on better books omo better school uniform na de emba into omo di brebra ma amane emba yomo fim na omo nwu omo hu o na wan wa be sebo o cross marker na se menwe ya we from so bi enu ho bo modia na yomo fi private for no every public schools nimu because omo hu left from omo right as we disappoint omo yenti nsema be right at the etuja
because he said that is not the president's orientation. Onwa Kanye, or you're committed to completing Agenda 111. Onwa Kanye, or you're committed to ensuring say free SHS ebe jine ye, and ne we expand the crowd senior high for private schools na ba beka ho and that reminds me mamperi private schools na do ma beka senior high no ho we dey mean free one term. Nkofo bebre wo questions kakra because as a nhyehyeye no enye free sir for private schools no because near headmasters of private schools and proprietors of some of these private schools can say government does not take up the entire cost even though aban ama womu students ni bi as a aban any private schools no cost sharing. But the concept is free SHS. To say, Mampeni the private schools na beka free SHS no a adabra ka esre. They must have the full complement of free SHS because they are Ghanaians. And say koba say ye ma private schools no sikane fa na ne aka no parents enkotua because the feedback we are getting from some of these headmasters and our owners of these schools no. And no, a bind does not take up the entire cost of free education for private schools now. Modio mabeka free SHS no. Mr. President, please, mohena mo addresses adiano. Because we're campaign promise. Mo na mo ka se mo be manage na ne mo no kra mo the private schools na beka ho. Sa beka ho a, they must enjoy the full benefit of free SHS. Policy expansion ayeye. Yemfa no entwere ho na yento ankomo no so. Timampani yebesre say niema na ebi yiniti at the district level, the local level. Yen nti amato bebo fa asem we ni say local governance is the heartbeat of development. Local governance, it is the heartbeat of development. impunto bie ni wo be sha se free suraba form e sha se free form na kosoro enti se this is ni MPC nti NTA na this is bi aba office omo mindset ni se projects o meto ye omo nto aso me ye omo de a problem ade ba ko nso apie ye before the committee any say this is an answer districts ni bi at the fake documents and a bit defended wo fake documents na baby amidi ya kakra any committee no committee na agitu mu say ebi mu the fake documents ne bae ebebu akonta yet committee na small kan and say it shouldn't happen again no be a falsified document ye ka akontabuo ye de oman sika bremu semu fanya adwuma wo district na ehun akontabuo ehun receipts ebi ye fake a ne ebeka ne se mo hwe na de we nsi next year biem somebody ought to be punished for presenting a falsified document or a fake document na me tena se me hwe sa audit sittings of the local government committee, you know, something is equally coming up, and that has to do with the quality of personnel manning your districts. Across the local governance, you know, ye jitum but yembu enti ye de zuku fo bebre akogu ho. Kosu timitie district director of finance
98.9
Utimitie coordinating director bi na no kasa ene enchirechiremu a wode ma sometimes the reasoning your busa or question adwene ne kura na wode ka asem no wo busa se na we class 1 ni kura be ka asem we sometimes you wonder the caliber of people are ye do ma local level say omunko hema development enyina and you see the local level na ye nya the right human resource ye nya leaders papa nkosa local level wa na ye no suru ha nyina na nkosi aga ebimpo ntimi express wo mo ho ebimpo and some of the DCs can't even express themselves enya brofo asem o enya brofo asem unza asem no se wonnim ne wo ka enonko ena unim ne wo kan na mamu no unni brofo ade be kan no sonko but some of them they come very empty from DCs MCs enyo mu nyina ebimo to district coordinators any directors of finance. I don't get it. Ebimpo ntimi nkyerechire nsemu is it because there is a problem with akontabuo nti anase ampampa kyira no muntimi nkyere mu nsemu muze wubu akonta na ensisi so aho kyerew eno no kasa kura na ya na star eno ho ena ne asem na eda ho no emu da ho pa obet anka asem no wo kyere mu anka betima kyere but wontimi mpo nkyere na asemu sanipa no oye den no oye adwuma bebre abegu omu animu ase before the committee last week bebre abegu omu animu ase this is bisu begu omu animu ase poto you see eya ka bibi se na brofo nye kasa entemi emfa brofo njaje amanfo but documents are a good DC animu no sebe yentwro wanwona kasa mu documents are a good MC animu no sebe yentwro wotwi kasam yatwro no brofum enti nipa no ode brofu na ekoya adwuma na se brofu no wonte a sebe mu documents a ode koya adwuma no obeti ase na obetimi ate ase interpreti ama watimi agina so take decisions ebebo o manfo ana mejitum se brofu nye kasa but Ghana your official language English Ghana ha our official language is English. because tribe bia wa ne kasa obi anso ye proud of ne kasa ana yenje one local dialect into mu se eno ne official language ye pen kabomuntu obi anka ne kasa na mom ye se ye kɔ office ne ye kɔ school a kasa ye de be ye biribia eye brofo ya je atum asoman ti se obeye DC na sa official language no wo ye deficient wo mu a enkrata wo de be ye adwuma nyina so wo English kasa mu se brofo no wonte a sebe ya tworo betu wani mu a obetimi akan ate ase na wetimi ade akwadwendwene mu atake decision a ebebo o manfo ana a challenge for me. A challenge for me. And clearly before the committee, some of the people who have been appointed as DCs and MCs struggle to communicate in this official language of Ghana. Onipa Sano
Happy FM 98.9.
obetimi attractive investors abkone district ana. Obetimi akwabon amanone akwa pitching a district say me district ye wo abundance of share nut mo wa banoni a ebi a mo ye nku mo ye cosmetics ni ade no it can be an important raw material source e de amamo this year want me expressing one tene brofo no sabia mu so wo twe investor be free US e de akọ ne district say onko set up a share manufacturing and as a share butter manufacturing plant wobeye ne saying na obe convince wo mo saying I am not placing unnecessary premium on English but committee nanim no mo kotena ye no o man kan frafra o mo kan brofo financial statements any balance sheets any documents a good DC yanim ya twono brofo ensusu edananim ohunu hwe ontimi nkasa ontimi express no ho ontimi nkyerensemu coordinating director besomu a no wase asem no kra ti last week me monitor there na nam se there be a lot of Ghanaians didn't monitor the local government committees audit hearings bebre na tie public accounts committee there but the one on local governance we mu bebre ntie betie na me observation kakra nie I'll call on His Excellency the President. I'll call on the local government minister, Honorable Ahmed Ibrahim. You're a hard-working, fantastic man. Minimni obetimi aye. Se jumedia konewie ebesre. This is now omu be exhibiting some level of weakness, no. Ebesre. Se capacity building program bi na abeya moma munya crash course ma omo
Happy FM 98.9.
Ebinumu nim how the public sector even works. This is bi betina ho they are clueless about the role of the coordinating director. Se minimu de se ne MPs eya ye orientation ma womo na ye de omo ko entity mu kakra ma omo timi appreciate parliamentary rudiments no. Some of these MMDCs, Mampeni would need their capacity to be raised. And Honorable Ahmed Ibrahim, I know, sir, you are focused and you are going to deal with this. Some of the MDCs need capacity building. Some need an upgrade. DCBS no, the district one in a month, you bet me a kind of number of times because I feel no school. School. Before the committee, no person can say Bangalore in ready. Entina only district but later before the committee, there they say because our school entia, and that is affecting development. And that you hear DC office, DC in your or lectures. So, Your Excellency, you trust anonym se na chiachia, ye no mu binumu na ye be twema adwen sisa na mai bi muso. Aban we 4 years pe. The first year mu no wo. One, it is too early. Say some DCEs exhibited clear conflict between women and MPs. Too early for a 10-month-old government. Na 10 months in na DC ni MP NK. And your primary time so their development in about Bokra o Hwenkoso. My monitoring of near course before the committee, I reinforcing my position say we need to elect MMDCs, but not along partisan lines. There were professors, there were engineers, there were tried and tested leaders within our communities. Sankanya MPP ni NDC. Ombetimi di omho asi ho aye DCs ni MCs. But adena kwaye by appointment inti. Ne waye adwuma kase de ama party ene ama ne ye DC. Nantom DC say teacher ni pa obi a trained teacher pa. Na so wo expressing ho kraye driama no. I was say party rewarding Torofuo into senipa no one sem fata oni competencies are ye here for the job of near the amano because one farmer na party for people fu our constituency. At the end of the day, the larger society suffers from inept leadership, ineffective leadership. We did see community be a course before the committee last week.
How is your district doing?
My district is doing very well, but in terms of peace, averagely or relatively good.
How long have you been in office?
I've been in office in May.
Since May.
July, August, October. 6 months ago,
Okay.
I've been in office, please.
How much have you generated internally so far?
Thank you, Chair. In terms of our internally generated funds, we have generated 194,597.
Is it a district or municipal?
We are a district. So with this amount, we are ahead of what we planned for.
Are you the one to tell me whether you are ahead or you are? How much have you received common fund?
So far, we have received 5,641,158.
You are fidgeting too much. What is the problem? Why are you fidgeting like that? Is everything all right?
Yes, Chair, I'm all right.
You are fidgeting.
Okay.
So relax and let's talk. Okay?
Yes.
Who is your member of parliament?
Honorable Dr. Mohammed Sharif Abdul Khalik.
So does he support you? Because we have complaints here, and a few of the complaints are about the district and the way you want to be forward. Do you get support from your member of parliament?
Yes, please.
What does he do in Nanton?
Nanton District Chief Executive. In terms of
Nanton.
peace,
That's how you pronounce
Nanton.
not Nanton. It's Nanton.
Any of them,
Okay,
if the spelling is same.
Okay, good.
Put your mic off.
Oh, okay.
I am Alhaji Mohammed Shaibu, the coordinating director.
Shane Idorisu is my name, the audit committee chair.
Zachary and Abdul Basit, procurement officer.
Any of them, if the spelling is same.
Okay, good.
Put your mic off.
Oh, okay.
The doctor.